have not gathered here merely to mark the completion of a recitation. Today we have gathered to honor the completion of the word of Allah, the word that raised civilizations from deserts, that transformed ignorance into awareness, and that connected broken hearts to their Lord. Allah Himself declared about this book, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. This is the book in which there is no doubt a guidance for a righteous. A guidance for a righteous. 14 centuries have passed, yet the Quran remains unchanged and unmatched. It still challenges humanity. If you doubt it, produce even one chapter like it, and no one ever has. The Quran reminds us that we are created with purpose and responsibility. We are accountable for our actions, and even when people deny faith, the human heart testifies in moments of loneliness that there is one who is near and who listens. On this blessed occasion, let us pray the Quran does not remain only on our tongues but becomes part of our lives. May Allah enable us to understand it, live by it, and remain steadfast upon it until our last breath. Jazakumullahu shukran. Assalamu alaikum.